Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Yellow Basket on TikTok Shop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok Shop, you have three options from here. You can choose the Seller Center, the Streamer Desktop, and the Partner Desktop. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Click on the sign up now option, and from here you can use your Google account, your TikTok, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, adding a Yellow Basket on TikTok Shop can be a strategic move for several reasons because number one, incorporating a Yellow Basket into your TikTok Shop branding can help improve brand recognition and recall because when users see the Yellow Basket, they may instantly associate it with your brand, making it easier for them to identify and remember your products. Of course, TikTok Shop can make your storefront visually appealing and inviting, catching the attention of potential customers scrolling through the platforms. Because our baskets are commonly associated with shopping, whether in physical stores or online, and by including a Yellow Basket in your TikTok Shop, you can symbolize the shopping experience, creating a sense of familiarity and comfort for shoppers browsing your products. Now, when you are on the Affiliate Center, you might want to click on the Seller Center first because that's where the dashboard option that you can put products on it. Click on that. Now, basically from here, all you have to do is click on the products. Now, you can manage your products if you wanted to add a Yellow Basket, or you might want to just go to the add new product. And from here, all we have to do is upload the product that we wanted to add the Yellow Basket, because by featuring a Yellow Basket prominently in your TikTok Shop, you can draw users' attention to specific products or promotions, all right? Increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversions. And from here, just click on the Add New Product. Select the accurate category for the product because it helps TikTok Shop to recommend your product to target customers. And from here, just fill in as much as information as you can, okay? And the product will be displayed publicly once approved. And of course, that includes the Yellow Basket. Now click on the Add New Product. Now, once you're done adding your product and you would be able to upload that, you would see something like this one. Now, this Yellow Basket, which is going to be added to your TikTok Shop, can enhance visual appeal, improve brand recognition, of course, help your storefront stand out in the competitive landscape of social commerce. Now, as you can see, our Yellow Basket now has already been added. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.